Good morning, writing class. I hope that you're having a great week. You've had a great weekend. This is a very short video because we have very little due this week. All that you have to do is turn in the final draft of your essay on Friday. So look at that feedback that you got from your peers and from me, and get that final draft in. If anyone's having trouble finding the feedback that I gave you, because I gave it to you both in comments in the essay and also comments in the feedback area, like in the text box. If you're having trouble finding that, let me know, because I want to make sure you get it. I put effort into that, and I want to make sure it pays off for you. Another quick thing I just wanted to tell you is that I discovered something easy. Okay, I just wanted to pull up the actual schedule for this week here. Sorry, I'm a little scattered right now. So this was due Friday, and then this coming week, this is what you've got due. So easy peasy. I discovered a little trick that keeps me a little more organized as I'm navigating these courses. You can create bookmarks of things. So right now I don't have any bookmarks, but if so I'm going to click here to show you that I don't have any. But if I go to the course schedule, or schedule of work, sorry, and I bookmark it, then when anywhere I am in the course, I can easily find that schedule of work, which makes it a lot quicker to navigate. All right, as always, have a great week. Let me know if you guys have any questions, okay? Bye-bye.